Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is a special video because all of this has to be packed down as we're moving house. So I was thinking you could come along with this on the move. So yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of boxes. That's one thing for sure. So I need to pack everything down, and of course I need some good boxes for the things I'm a little bit afraid that should be damaged during the move. The thing is, the house I'm moving to is a little bit smaller, so I won't be able to have like a man cave like this, but I'm getting a garage, so hopefully I will be able to use an area on the garage for my RC cars, and we'll see as the time goes by. Maybe I'm able to build an extra shed in extension to the garage, so we'll see. So I guess there is just one thing to do, and that is to get all of this stuff down into boxes. So let me just show you real quick around the room of what we need to put into boxes.
So let's play a game. Make a comment down below how many boxes you think will go into packing down everything here except the Lego.
To make the collection to take a little bit less space, I'm cutting off the empty boxes so I can flatten them, but it's possible to glue them back up again at a later stage if I want to. So we've got 6 top forces in one box. I think that's gonna be quite good. If I can fit just as much other cars into one box, that would be great.
this is me signing off for now. I really hope you would consider subscribing to the channel and see where my next hobby room will be, if there will be one. So until then, just take care, have fun, and stay safe. Finally, everything has been moved into the new location. It's it's quite a lot of boxes and not that much room, so I guess I can't have everything up and showing like I did in my previous hobby room, but yeah, we'll figure something out.